Forerunner 265. All right, so let's jump right into it, and then we'll get into some cool new TriSchedule app updates. All right, so the first hidden feature on Garmin watches is the morning report. So to get to the morning report, just hold down the middle button, and then you'll keep scrolling down and you'll go to Appearance. So just click on Appearance there, and then boom, there it is, morning report. So just click it or click the top right button to get to it. And so you can turn the morning report on and off, which is pretty cool if you don't want to see your sleep status or any of that. And then you can also come to Edit Report. And so you can tell the morning report exactly what you want to see. So I think training readiness is really important, as well as sleep. Okay, so these are the things that are in the report. So to move it up and down, just long click it. So sleep's the most important thing for the morning report, in my opinion. So let's put it at the top. All right, and then it also has the training readiness, which is really important if you're training for races and that sort of thing. And then it's got workouts, HRV status, body battery, weather, and calendar. And cool. So if you want to add something to your morning report, just click the plus button at the bottom. So pretty sweet. So you don't really care about the steps during sleep. Ooh, let's add recovery. All right, so to add it, nope. Scroll down and just click the top right button. Perfect. And then when you're done adding things, just click the done button. And then we can rearrange them. We can move recovery up a little bit. So pretty sweet. All right, so that's how to edit the report. And then you can also add your name, which is pretty cool. And then you can also have the clocks part of the morning report, which is pretty sweet. All right, so that was the first hidden feature on the Garmin watch. The next hidden feature that I'm going to walk through is the training readiness and recovery time. So to get there, just hold the middle button and then go, or no, sorry, it's actually at the home screen. So just scroll down and it's actually one of the main widgets. So just go to training status and just click that. And then it has a few different options here for training status. First, it has your daily/weekly load. So if you just come here, you can kind of see your volume or your acute load moving up and down through the week, which is pretty cool. And then one of my favorite features, especially if you're training for triathlons, is knowing your aerobic. So right now I have a high aerobic, which is 2384, and then 1249 for the low aerobic. So the low aerobic is like your zone 2 easy runs. So this is great. So you want to kind of build up that high aerobic. That way you can taper for a race and you'll kind of increase your low aerobic. So pretty cool feature there. Then it also has the VO2 max, and then boom, there's recovery. So it's hidden in quite a few menus, but there it is, recovery. So I still have 32 hours of recovery and currently recovering as expected. So pretty cool. All right, that's another hidden feature of the Garmin Forerunner 265. Now let's get into the cool TriSchedule app updates. All right, so if you don't have the TriSchedule app, you can just take a screenshot of this video. I'll put the QR code down in the bottom right. So just take a picture and use that QR code to get to our website to download the TriSchedule app. Or you can just go to the App Store and search for it. Pretty easy. All right, so let's get into the cool new app features. So one of the cool new ones that I love personally is the new AI workout creator. So if you just click on the AI button, then you can just come in here and type whatever you want, or you can use your voice to create a workout. So let's do the latter and use our voice. So you just want to hit the microphone button there. Create a 30-minute run for tomorrow morning. And so when you're done talking, just hit the button there. Should I create the workout for tomorrow morning? Yes, proceed. So just click the proceed button there. And then it takes a little bit of time. Sometimes you might need to refresh the screen. And sweet, there it is. AI workout. So let's see what's in there. So to get to the workout details, just click the workout and then just click on next. And sweet, there it is. 30-minute run. So pretty cool that you can just create workouts using your voice with our AI workout creator on the bottom right. All right, let's delete that one for now. We already did a hard 2-hour bike ride. So let's get into the details of that. So to get into the workout details, just click anywhere on the workout. You can click the map, or you can click on some of the data fields, but it'll bring up the workout details for this pop-up. So pretty cool now that we have the graphs updated. So this is one interval here, and we actually have lap compliance there on the bottom. So my target was to hit 270 watts for this interval, 20-minute interval, and I only got to around 255. So pretty cool that it does a little compliance percentage. So you can see it was off by about 5.5% or so. So pretty cool new feature with the TriSchedule app, that it now does the interval compliance, or lap compliance, if you will. Super cool. And then now, if you're a professional triathlete, listen up, because this is for you. So now you can go and click the Add Lactate Meter Media button, and then just click on Gallery. And so you can just scroll through your pictures and update a picture of your lactate meter. And then you just select where the number is. So it doesn't matter where it is. It can be on the right, left, down at the bottom. So once you have it centered there, just click done. And sweet, look at that. It found the lactate meter value, 1.7. And then it also graphs that point. Super cool. So you can It's hard to see, but 1.7 millimoles. This is game changing, folks. Nobody has this. All right, let's add another lactate meter value. Boom, 4.2. All right, and then just click the done button. Boom, found lactate 4.2. How cool. And then sweet. So 4.2, so it mapped both of them. So pretty sweet, look at that. You can just update your lactate meter values and it just maps them to your workout. So it actually pulls the timestamp of the picture, which is super cool, and it'll graph it based on the time. So super cool. And so what's even cooler is you can move the lactate meter graph up, which you can't do in other apps. So now we can put it up near where the laps is, which is pretty cool. Boom. If you're a professional athlete, you will love the TriSchedule app. So just go click the QR code in the bottom right and download the app. It's currently on the Apple App Store as well as the Android Google Play Store. This is game changing, folks. Getting lactate meter values graphed against your workouts. All right, so those are the latest TriSchedule app updates. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, hope you guys have a good day. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.